In the critical world of accounting management, choosing the right payroll software is far from a trivial decision. It impacts everything from employee satisfaction to tax compliance and, ultimately, your business's financial health. Among the myriad of options, Gusto and Patriot Payroll frequently emerge as top contenders for small to medium-sized businesses. While both aim to simplify the often complex task of paying employees, they approach it with slightly different philosophies and feature sets. As an accounting management expert, I've seen firsthand how these differences can influence a business's operational efficiency and cost structure. Let's delve into the core distinctions between Gusto and Patriot. The core philosophies: breadth versus simplicity. At a high level, the fundamental difference between Gusto and Patriot Payroll lies in their strategic focus. Gusto, formerly Zen Payroll, aims to be a comprehensive people platform. Its ambition extends beyond just payroll to encompass a broader range of HR functionalities, employee benefits administration, and talent management tools. It's designed for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates various aspects of employee management. Patriot Payroll, part of Patriot Software, primarily focuses on delivering straightforward, affordable, and accurate payroll services. While they offer add-ons like accounting and time tracking, their core strength and emphasis remain on payroll processing with a strong focus on cost-effectiveness and ease of use for businesses that primarily need to get their payroll done without extensive HR features. Key feature comparisons. Now, let's explore the specific features where these differences become most apparent. 1. Payroll processing and tax compliance. Both Gusto and Patriot excel at calculating and filing payroll taxes, federal, state, and local. This is a non-negotiable for any reputable payroll provider. Gusto offers fully automated payroll runs, including tax calculations, filings, and payments. They handle W-2s and 1099s automatically. Their compliance features are robust, with automated new hire reporting and state tax registration assistance across all 50 states. Gusto is known for its ability to manage multi-state payrolls seamlessly, which is a huge plus for businesses with remote employees in different locations. Patriot also provides accurate payroll calculations and handles federal, state, and local tax filings and deposits, ensuring compliance. Their full-service payroll plan includes these tax services. Patriot is highly praised for its accuracy in tax filings. They support various pay frequencies and offer unlimited payroll runs without extra charges. Key difference: while both handle core payroll and taxes, Gusto often feels more hands-off due to its higher level of automation and broader multi-state capabilities, making it ideal for businesses with a diverse geographical workforce. 2. HR features and employee benefits administration. This is where Gusto truly shines and significantly differentiates itself from Patriot. Gusto offers a robust suite of HR features beyond basic payroll. This includes employee onboarding, automated onboarding workflows, e-signatures for documents, and self-service portals for new hires to enter their information. Benefits administration. Gusto can act as a licensed benefits broker, helping businesses set up and administer health insurance, 401k plans, HSAs, FSAs, and other financial benefits directly through their platform. This seamless integration of benefits with payroll is a major convenience. Time tracking and PTO management. Built-in time tracking, in hire plans, and comprehensive PTO, paid time off, policy creation and tracking. HR support and resources. Access to HR experts, compliance alerts, and an HR resource center in higher tier plans. Talent management, performance reviews, employee surveys, and insights. Patriot focuses more narrowly on payroll. While it offers an employee self-service portal for pay stubs and W-2s, its HR features are more basic and often come as separate, paid add-ons. For instance, time and attendance and HR software, which includes things like new hire reporting, are typically additional modules you purchase. Patriot integrates with 401k providers and workers' comp, but doesn't offer the same integrated benefits brokerage service as Gusto. Key difference: if your primary need is payroll with comprehensive, integrated HR and benefits management, Gusto is generally the more feature-rich choice. Patriot requires more reliance on add-ons or external services for those extended HR functionalities. 3. Pricing structure. Both providers use a base fee plus a per-employee per month model, but their starting points and what's included differ. Gusto generally has a higher starting price for its base plans but includes more features even at the entry level, especially regarding HR and compliance. Their plans typically include full-service payroll, tax filings, and basic HR tools. Additional features like advanced HR support or broker integration come with higher-tier plans. Patriot tends to be more affordable, especially for businesses that only need core payroll functionality. Their basic payroll plan is very cost-effective if you handle tax filings yourself, which most small businesses don't want to do. Their full-service payroll plan, which includes tax filings, is still very competitively priced. However, for features like time tracking or advanced HR, you'll need to pay for their add-ons, which can bring the total cost closer to Gusto's mid-tier plans. Key difference. Patriot is often the more budget-friendly option if you have straightforward payroll needs and don't require extensive HR or benefits features. Gusto offers more value for its price if you plan to leverage its broader HR and benefits ecosystem. 4. User experience and support. Both platforms are praised for their ease of use, which is critical for small business owners who aren't necessarily payroll experts. Gusto, known for its highly intuitive, modern interface and user-friendly guided setup. Its employee self-service portal and mobile app are highly rated for ease of use. Customer support is available via phone, chat, and email during business hours. Patriot also offers a very user-friendly interface with a simple, 3-step payroll process. It's designed to be straightforward and easy to navigate, even for those new to payroll software. Patriot has a strong reputation for excellent, US-based customer support via phone, email, and chat, often cited as a significant advantage by users. While mobile-friendly, it traditionally hasn't had a dedicated employer-side mobile app like Gusto, though its web interface is responsive.